If you want to build your own CNC machine and start creating beautiful, profitable woodwork today, follow the link below this video. It's easy. You can set your CNC machine to create anything that you want. Simply input the directions and the CNC machine will create fantastic products carved from wood within hours. And you can do all of this even if you have no previous experience at creating anything with wood. But are CNC machines expensive? Yes, buying a CNC machine is very expensive. But did you know that you can make your own CNC machine from parts found in a local DIY store? That's right, you can build your own CNC machine by following these easy step-by-step instructions. Once you follow this link below, you will see how easy and how enjoyable it can be to build your own CNC machine and start a business from your very own home.